Python is a very versatile, a very powerful software programming language. It can be used to make AI or web development, etc. It can also be used for many other things such as game developing, but we'll get on that later. To download Python, you need to go to www.python.org/download/, and then we have to go to downloads or releases, and here we are. So you can download any of these you like if you're looking for a specific release, but I recommend going for the latest in 3.8.5. And the second thing we need to do is go to PyCharm. So it is this www.jetbrains/pycharm/download here. So this is where the ideally part comes in. So an ideally is basically a virtual background, virtual place where a programming code can exist. Like you can't just use Python in Visual Studio or C Sharp in PyCharm, etc. So we'll have to download the perfect ideally for it. So I'd recommend going with PyCharm, but there are many other things also. So do what you like. So for downloading PyCharm, you have to go to this website. I'll put the link below. Download. I recommend going for the community one as it does not is not different from the professional version, except that it provides more features. Like you can also code in SQL and JS. If you're a Mac, then go for the Mac or Linux if you're in Linux. As I'm in Windows, I will download this now. We have to wait as it takes a little bit of time. So yeah guys, Python is near completion and now it's downloaded. First I'll come to the PyCharm community version, the ideally. So once it's downloaded, just press on this command prompt right down here and wait for it to open. So hello guys, Python was successfully downloaded and now all we have to do is just name a Python project. So if you follow all the rules successfully, you should end up like this, and not exactly with this, but surely with this one. So the first time we have to create a project, we can name it anything, one by anything. So I'll name it project one because obviously it's our first project together. So you don't need to change anything else, you can just keep it like that and create. And I guess it should take a little bit of time because it takes time creating a virtual environment. So the first program code we are going to learn is pretty basic, which is the print command. So print, what it does is just prints out things. So while doing a print command, you have to write print int, and then all you have to do is just get this bracket out here. So if you just shift 9, you get it, and you don't need to do it again because it just automatically does itself 2 brackets. So now what we have to do is put 2 commas, and you have successfully created a Python source code. Now you can enter anything in, like hello world. So enter and then go to run. So run if you have many Python projects, and here it should be here. You can either run main, the one which is before, or main 3, which I'm doing it now. Main 3. You see hello world in the console. If you're wondering what this is the console. Hello world. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this tutorial. I'll be back on the next one. Goodbye.